Alright, more backtesting. 0.8. Oh my god, this win rate is gonna be 0.1%. This is outrageous win rate, bro. NES, NQ. One AM, 5 AM. Alright, I want to open. Where are we? Um, is alright. There's no PD raise on ES, but there is a slow, I guess. Only 1 hour. What do we see? Reduction block, gap that fails to close through. We're in the gap currently. Opening the gap. Overall, there's also this other block or other gap that's holding the rejection block. Seems to be bullish right now. All right. $9.18. Broke it on NQ. I'm hoping 15-minute. Broke it on both time frames. This right here. Didn't break all this yet. Seem to be respecting. Could probably go for an combo IVG. You have our sweep. You don't. This is Friday 11:15. Friday 2:30. We don't have our sweep yet on ES. On NQ we do. So there is an SMT. No, there's. I didn't look left, but there's. I guess it's a massive bullish candle. Oh, it's just news. But the actual candle starts right there. Yes, we took this low. NQ didn't take the low yet. Yes, we took. NQ we took. Don't edge it. Yes, we took. I guess there's technically. Time is this? Friday 12. Technically, there's an SMG. I'd like to tap into the. Right, we tapped in. Alright. One NQ contract. Brother, come on. Brother man, come on. Legends liquidity. Maybe we can get in on another. So there's technically an SMC down here. IFVG maybe. That means we can get our profits again by tomorrow. Oh, what are we chopping around in? Oh, we're just chopping inside the gap. It is quite a massive gap, I'm not gonna lie. We have our accumulation, manipulation maybe. IFVG, close above, I'll take this. AMD, that's our manipulation. Going break even. Oh my god. I don't count. I'm not gonna lie. I was up so much, bro. I could have closed, but no risk, no reward, right? Oh, mind. Damn, damn. That's how you dealing with me, damn, damn. By the front, dog. Oh wait, I could have traded that dude. All right, we don't see much. There's liquidity down here. On the 1 hour, what do we see? We see these two relatively equal lows. Could be a good draw. We inverse this gap. This this 1 hour gap. About a 15 minute, we're respecting this bearish gap, making lower resistance liquidity, trending lower. We rejected a 5 minute gap down here, ended up higher. If anything, I'd like to see a liquidity sweep and maybe like an SMC before we. Oh my god, I drawn the wrong thing. SMC and a liquidity sweep. Before we push up. Gap right here. Where is it? Yep. We're not opening up with any type of SMC, but I want to see it push down before I push up. No FVG, no gaps, but we have that gap. Like fill to close. Calm low 1 hour. 5 minute gap right down here, getting expected. Um, I don't know. All right, we see this taken. 9:06 Tuesday. 9:06. Technically, there's a SMC already. I'd enter off that changing uh CISD. Oh my god. I don't know because the candle's so big that our unless we could just go crazy up. Oh damn. Oh, I should have been on 10 contracts there. This is a crazy day. I'm not gonna lie. Crazy day. I don't want to trade today. This is just so bullish. I don't like that personally. All right. We just learned that how to switch. What's it called? How to switch or how to change time frames with what is it called again? I forgot. With keybinds. So we have a 4 hour gap resting down here. We have liquidity. Uh, could let me get rid of that. All right, we got that. We seem to be having a rejection. I'm not sure if there's SMT at that high. This is Wednesday at 10. Wednesday at 10, there is technically an SMT. Wait, no, there's not because both of them took it. Wait, did we take it? No, we did not. Or at least it's not like very visible. We can probably take a trade. I don't know. Maybe these highs want to get taken out relatively equal before anything. I'd be willing to take a long over there. SMT. I can just tell there's SMT. There's that accumulation. This accumulation hasn't been taken out yet. SMT. All right, we up on 1 hour real quick. You see that low got taken. Yo, we're so far. Yeah, the slow from that got taken. It didn't get taken on this one. I would take a trade right there. You'll see. I don't think they work if there's no gaps. I don't know. I'm gonna try to enter again. Is a 15-minute IFVG. Let's see if the 15-minute works. Then, yep. Let me make sure that I actually know what I'm trading because I feel like I'm just entering off IFVGs on a 3 minute and not actually like doing anything like important. NQ, yes. I don't like when they do that. Or whatever. Guess that's so you can take partials, but can't be selfish, innit? So what I see before anything, we're making low resistance liquidity. Before market open, we're inside this bearish gap that we actually respected. Yep. Anything else? Or oh, never mind. I'm up on NQ. Low resistance liquidity inside bearish gap. Never mind. Oh no, wrong thing. Inside bearish gap. We respected it. To the tick actually. Um, we have a starting SMT. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna say continuation shorts. What do we see here? Do we have any equal lows? Not really. I'm kind of looking for shorts right now though. think this is a liquidity sweep to give us the room to go down. Do we check that on ES? Was actually nowhere in set. On ES it's down there. On NQ it's all the way up here. Yes, this is our manipulation leg. Would it be the whole thing? But does this line up with anything? Lines up with this gap. There's our CISD, no IPG. Can I get a close below? No close below. Continuations upward. Broke through -4. Maybe it was the wrong leg. Let me adjust. You see a break right here? This is also a break on ES, no SMT. So we're not ready to reverse. No SMT. No reverse. No SMT yet. Took on ES, or took on NQ. Also took on I would let the entire day go without me, bro. I'm looking for shorts. We're too high up. I don't feel comfortable. We're making large liquidity on ES though. And on NQ. I don't feel comfortable looking for longer now. Took the one, is that 121? He took the 127 on ES. Took the 127. The 121. CISD. Got a push up. Also had a push up. But we didn't sweep this on NQ. What do we see? Free market. we're opening up inside this 4-hour bearish gap on NQ. We already took this swing on ES. We did not take it on NQ. I'm assuming we're just gonna go bearish after all the bull runs. Maybe I'll just enter off a quick CISD. You got that. Let me hop on a 15-minute. Go hop on a 1 hour. We inverse the gap. And on ES, you have yet to get that high to the accumulation. So it's technically an SMT. We have an IFVG right here. You need like a really good liquidity suit to go lower. So I'm gonna just wait. Did we edge it? What the hell? Oh my god. Took on ES. Did not take on NQ. Maybe CISD as our entry. Oh, it just took. SM. I'm taking this as my continuation entry to this low. Yo. Let me just wait on the 15-minute. The 15-minute took this on ES. And we took it on NQ. I didn't realize, but I'm pretty sure there was an SM. No, there wasn't. Are we not gonna go bullish or bearish? Dog, hold on. Is this 2 bullish in a row? Bro, we have nothing else to run. We genuinely have nothing to run. What are we doing? Where? Second. Oh my god. These are some outrageous holds, I'm not gonna lie. We have a CISD. Is there anything in the zone? No, there's not. But we are inside a bearish. Bearish gap. You can see the resistance. Stop loss up here. I don't know if we need a liquidity sweep though. This is a bearish sweep. Also a bearish sweep. NQ took. ES took. ES took. One trade got. Oh, bro, I just want to be consistent, bro. Alright, I'm gonna go back to what I used to do, and I would just like spam like hella PD areas everywhere. But I was like, it would like work. So what are we doing right now? We're probably gonna go bearish, take this out, or take this out, then continue higher. There's also this right here. This is a crazy rejection block. I'm not gonna lie. Disrespected the 0.5, I guess. I would like to go for longs here though. Yeah. No SMT, no trend change, bro. Lower this liquidity. Come run it, bro. Come run it. Up on a 4 hour. What do we see? This rejection block. Back down into it. Up on a 3 minute. Up on a 5 minute. Maybe the problem is I'm taking 15 minute. It's a 15-minute gap. We tapped into it. Up on a 5 minute now. Maybe I should stop using the 3 minute. Back in the day, I didn't used to take a 3 minute. Alright, so there is SMT because on ES we didn't take it. Or on NQ we didn't take it. Not yet. Alright, we took it. Never mind. NQ just took a while to catch up. Yes. Didn't take. Maybe we'll swap once that low gets taken. That low being got taken on NQ. We'll probably do it. Alright, so it gets taken on ES. What's the manipulation like? Does anything line up? Wait, FTQs, yes. Yeah, lines up with the -3 leg. Now I'll take a bullish CISD or IFVG. That's my CISD. Stop loss down here with hella space for whatever reason. No, if it goes under that, that's just giving it some space. High of the day. Another trade. It's a high of the day. Stop loss. -4 level. I'm gonna get it down one day, bro. I don't care. I'll keep backtesting until I can find me, a profitable strat. I'll do what I gotta do, bro. This, well, we tapped it. Technically IFPG. Or not IFPG. I mean SMC. This is our CISD. Buy. Stop loss. Assuming this is our manipulation leg. Be here. All right, let me go back to what I used to do. No trading non New York because I'm taking mad L's. I mean, either way, I always take mad L's, but I'm taking even more L's. What do we see? We see rejection off this and this. Let me not forget there's a high right here. All right, oh no. I'm an idiot, bro. I should be trading ETC4. Looks like we're gonna start off with a crazy bearish SMT. Took on NQ, did not take on ES. Oh, and a 30-minute bearish IFVG. Honestly, bro, I'll take off just this on the 30-minute, and I think today's just gonna be crazy. Oh my god. NQ or above on ES. 15. SMT. Don't care how long it takes, bro. I'm gonna end up positive. I'm gonna end up good of trading, and yeah, bro. It doesn't matter, bro. I'm always stay at it, and until I can have one mega positive month trading, then I'm not. Then I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not getting funded. I'm not gonna become in the failure percentage, bro. I'm gonna be the goat, bro. 59, 1. Then after that, you have this 30-minute. Back out to the 4 hour, and on ES. On the 4 hour, we don't see much. We see this high, possibly to get taken. It doesn't rest inside anything crazy, any PD areas. But yesterday when actually all the other days doing like literally like so crazy, bro. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. I feel like it can go either way. Then we have no hour, 1 hour. We don't see much on the 1 hour. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Can't see that. Need double heard. Let me hop on a 15-minute. MNQ. Yes. NQ took this. ES didn't. No. Yeah. So we're starting off with the bearish SMT. And we're also starting off with this on NQ. Can we see a sweep? We have our sweep on ES. We also have our sweep. It's a bit crazier though. Wouldn't this make for an SMT? Friday at 6. Friday at 6. NQ took Friday at 2:30. ES did not take Friday at 2:30. Seems to like reversing in this area. So we inversed it. I mean, this is a kind of long CISD though. Stop loss down there. So I have an opportunity to actually take a trade tomorrow because it's spring break and that entire week. So hopefully, I can figure something out because I really want to keep trading, but this is just so demotivating. I want to see us go into this. No CISD, please. There's probably an SMT there somewhere. I have no idea. It's one. It's two. I think we're gonna see the wick go into here, and we after the wick. This was from. I think this is the formation of our wick. So there's no way. Simply no way, bro. So now we're in another bearish gap, and we're just, bro. We've gone like so many days, and we just moved everything on the upside. If you're going to go bearish now, don't leave me. Hold on. Short here. Stop loss here. Stop loss. Actually, on big trade. Okay. Short here. Stop loss. Up here. What the hell? I don't remember that trick. GP right here. Break even isn't that bad. It's just so disappointing, bro. Reset. We made a lot of liquidity pre-market. Not even pre-market. We're just going up. Go down, bro. The 1 day is gonna take the week out, bro. Take this whole week out, and I'm gonna be there when we take the whole week out, bro. Come on, bro. Are we gonna take out this daily? And then maybe go for a reversal, bro. That's what I want to see. I want to see a takeout of that. Oh, wait. I don't care, bro. Just liquidity sweep IFVG. I'm taking a trade, bro. Liquidity sweep IFVG. Stop loss out highs. It's mad aggressive. Perfect 1 to 4 candle formation. I'm taking the craziest shorts, bro. This is just more opportunities. Back up to the sweep level. That is our, like, what? Our, like, fourth break. Showing bearishness. Gap right there. Genuinely, I want it all, bro. Give me everything I wanted back. Yay, bro. 6K. I'm out, bro. I'm the goat. We had a sweep. Did we do that on ES? We had a sweep on ES. Yes, we did. But we're also. The resistance to breaking the flow. Honestly, if we can get another trade off that same liquid level. Oh, I think that's it. Can I have a retrace? CISD. Maybe this is, you know, hints for a re-entry. Oh, this is 930. We're at the exact same level. And we broke through it crazy. Technically, I mean, I can see that. What's my error? This is 940. I'm waiting for 10 a.m. for any sort of reversal. Seems like we're having continuation, so I'll look for a continuation model. You're mad bullish there. Had a FBG. We have a CISD. The CISD. Stop loss. Come the 1 to 2. SMT at the lows. Still bullish. And we could hold GP, I guess. Bro, I can't, bro. Why are we having days where we do it? Hold on. Monday. Monday. Opened up. Bang. Up. Wednesday, chop. Thursday, chop. Friday, up. Sunday, down. Monday, up. Tuesday, up. Wednesday, we have two down candles right here. It's 9:59 p.m. This is all Lord's liquidity, bro. I'm looking for longs. Maybe after we sweep something, there's this triple tap right here, supported by this gap right here. Technically, we're going into it, but I'll take this. I'll put it right below this gap. TP up here. Should I not go break even so fast? I have no idea, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like a waste of space, and I feel like I mean, I know it's second trading, but come on, bro. I shouldn't be losing like to this extent, bro. Like I know my PDRs, I know everything. I can't. I don't want to use order flow because that's like mad expensive. I'll use order flow like once I can already like make some money off prop firms and just ICT. But dude, come on, bro. I'm not. My average per trade is 500. 55% win rate, bro. Come on, bro. Oh my god. All right. I'm gonna end off today's backtesting here. I'm gonna go eat some food, maybe relax, watch some TV, get my mind off trading. I mean, my mind is always on trading, so that's kind of hard. I quit video games. I trade. I, I trade in school. I trade everywhere. I believe it's a matter of time. When I'm up, bro. When I'm up, I'm gonna be moving crazy, and there's no one to thank but me. Nobody else. All right. See ya.